Do we have a record in the Bible of anyone asking and not receiving?
And lest I should be exalted above measure through the abundance of the revelations, there was given to me a thorn in the flesh, the messenger of Satan to buffet me, lest I should be exalted above measure. For this thing I besought the Lord thrice, that it might depart from me. And he said unto me, My grace is sufficient for thee, for my strength is made perfect in weakness. Most gladly therefore will I rather glory in my infirmities, that the power of Christ may rest upon me.
Here we have Paul asking the Lord on multiple occasions to remove something that's hurting him. He even calls it a thorn in the flesh. However, even though Paul asked, he didn't receive. It wasn't because he didn't believe. And the Lord did pay attention to his prayer because Paul said he answered him. So what happened? Sometimes the Lord doesn't remove you from uncomfortable situations or heal your pain while you're here on earth, but he gives you the power, the grace to endure it. Make no mistake, the Lord doesn't leave you by yourself to endure on your own. He's right there all the time to strengthen you and to help you overcome. And Paul knew this, which is why he decided to take pleasure in his trials.